i35equipment.com. This is KCX240B long reach arm excavator. Fantastic for cleaning out ponds. Welcome you to come look at it for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to accompany you if you like, to come inspect it, check it out for you so you can have a professional understanding of the machine. Happy to have you out. We're open by appointment only. So give us a call, get on calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you shouldn't be an issue. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share your address, several local haulers, nationwide broker. That's rates respect us. You're welcome if you're arranging your own hauling, or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Here it does have the working travel arm. Undercarriage looks real good to me. Also has brand new rollers on it. We'll check that out closely when we get there. Sorry I did leave that hood unhooked when I was up there earlier taking photos, but we'll get up there in a minute, check it out. So it has both a digging bucket that comes with it as well as a dipping or smooth bucket on it that comes with it. Fantastic reach for getting that way out there in those ponds. We do specialize in consignment sales here, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call or fill a form on our website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We do have folks looking for good, ready to work equipment. We help you get your machinery sold. Got really good digging power. We're going to check out the arm, the engine, inside the work panels, both buckets, and then we'll end up in the operator station. Here's the smooth edge bucket. That is the Esco brand. Here's the digging bucket with 5 teeth. It is a Work Brow brand. You see it does have the work light on the arm as well as a work light under the step. Good mirror, hand and safety rail here. Storage under the step. That's the Isuzu motor. No def required. Real nice feature. I'm not seeing any blow by at all. Sounds good. But like I said, look for you to bring your mechanic or hire one so you can have check it out for you. We're not mechanics. We're just going to share the information we see, and we'll let the professional mechanics give you their opinion on everything. Seems like it's been cared for. It's not beat up. The steps look good. The railing's still there. The mirror. Hydraulic fluid looks good. brand new. Under here it looks good. Looks like all the panels are there. Glass all looks good. Case factory rubber floor mat. Good mirror. Case factory seat. Alright, let's kind of just look around here. Safety up and down. Throttle. Might be hard to see. Kind of looks like it's flickering in the video, but in real life it is not flickering. Currently sitting at 17 hours. Your headlight, windshield wipers were working. Well, can you come look it over? If you have any questions, just give us a call. You can always see all the information, more photos on our website, www.i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.